Okay, this is the lesson for the teacup for middle school. You're going to need the template, which gives you the different walls or parts of your clay teacup, and it's going to be the wall, the base, and the handle. All right. Over here on the side, you're going to see a lot of language that you need to know. Clay, we're working three-dimensionally. That's called an art form, which is a 3D art object. Slab, this right down here on the bottom, right here, is a clay slab. It is a slice of clay that is even from one side to the other side. I'm going to slide it out just a little bit. Okay, so slab. Your clay you're going to find is moist or cold to the touch because of the liquid that's in it. Clay obviously comes from the earth. It's a mixture of sediment, silica, and water. Okay, scoring is where you're marking up the clay, you're scratching into the clay to either cut or make the surface have more area, which means that when you go to attach one piece to another piece, there's more to grab onto. Slip, that is made with clay and water. It creates a paste or like a glue, which is a medium that you use to attach two pieces together. Needle nose. This is your needle nose. It is a tool. This one's a little crooked. It is not a toy. It is dangerous. You are not to treat it as anything other than an object of respect and responsible behavior. This is what we use to cut out the clay. We can also mark up the clay with this to score and add the slip to. There's a scraper. I thought I brought one out here. Did. I must have put it in my pocket. I'll show that to you in a little bit. Coil. We're not doing any coil work, but later on, well, actually, I take that back. You might use a coil to create more surface area to attach, say, the wall to the base. It's also a building process, so you could make a whole cup just using the coil process. Embellishment, later on, we're going to be adding details to the clay surface, and I'll talk to you about that in the next video. Emboss is how you go about doing this, is when you press down into the surface of the clay, that will create different patterns. Slats, you're going to need the slats. Here's one slat right here. You're going to need one on each side of the clay to cut it out.